I don't know if you've tried Mexican style pasta. We call it fideo seco. And we cook it very differently from the Italian. We cook it not al dente, but until it can take no more. And we sauce it and we dress it and we love it. So I have a pound of Mexican style chorizo. I'm chopping up the chorizo into chunks. I am adding oil because the Mexican chorizo they make outside of Mexico has much less fat. Adding the chorizo in here. And as it continues to brown, I'm gonna cut some onion. I need about a quarter cup. The chorizo, it's finishing. I'm gonna remove the chorizo with a slotted spoon, and I'm gonna try to leave as most of the fat as I can in the pan. Adding the onion that I chopped. And then I'm gonna add my pasta. Now to make Mexican fideo, you wanna use the thinnest pasta you can find, like angel hair or vermicelli. You wanna break it in half so that it fries in the oil, like that. It's a little bit like risotto, but with pasta. So there's no possible way that Mexican style pasta can come out without a bunch of flavor. You wanna completely coat the pasta with that seasoned oil, and we want the pasta to toast. I'm adding 10 cloves of garlic. I love the combination of garlic and chipotles. Oh, this looks nice. Ah, yum, 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 yum. I'm gonna add the tomatoes. And I want these raw tomatoes to cook and darken and deepen. I'm adding a half a cup of chipotles in adobo sauce that I already chopped, and some oregano, and salt, black pepper. Oh, this is looking so pretty from where I'm standing. And then the last step is adding chicken broth, 3 cups. Now it's gonna cook for about 8 to 10 minutes until all the liquid has cooked off. Okay, and this is fideo seco. Super, super, super saucy. And it's ready. Okay, now let's dress it. Chorizo, crema, and queso, ripe avocado. It's a must. Habaneros for the top. Look at the beauty. It smells so good. This is the pasta you want. I think that every bite in here is gonna be like the perfect bite.